Hey guys, it's Robbie. I'm back out of hibernation making another YouTube video. Hopefully I'm going to be making some more. Life has been super hectic, but today we're going to be tuning my G80 M3's transmission with XHP. These have a ZF 8HP transmission from factory. I think they're a little sluggish in the shifts. I mean, it's quick, don't get me wrong, but from gear to gear, there's a different shift speed depending on what gear you're in. Like, different gears shift faster than others, which I think is a little annoying, and overall, hopefully we're going to enhance the driver feel a lot of this car. I haven't actually made a video on this, so just going to do a quick little walk around. This is, let's adjust the camera here. This is my 2024 M3 Competition X Drive. It is an individual color. This is violet blue, very close to Laguna Seca blue. And I apologize, guys, I haven't made any other videos about the other mods I've done. I have done some simple stuff to it. I have lowered it, of course, with some simple springs. They're AST springs. They were like 400 bucks. Great drop. I think it looks super good. It's super even. You can see in the front, back actually matches from factory. It's like an inch taller in the front than it is in the back. And then, of course, I had to powder coat the wheels silver. I think it looks amazing with the blue. And other than that, I also put some wheel spacers in it to give it some flush fitment and carbon front grille. I haven't gone too crazy. Oh, let me just flip my camera up over here. I haven't gone too crazy with the mods, but I feel bad that I haven't brought you guys along for the journey. I've been wanting to make more YouTube videos, but life has been crazy. I'm moving out soon. I've been really packed at my job, so hopefully I'm going to be able to make more videos, or really have the motivation to make more videos. Anyways, I'm downloading XHP now on my phone, and I'm going to run home, grab the flasher. I'm going to go tune this thing. Caps rolled in. Hopefully I don't get kicked out. Alright, he turned away. The only thing that sucks about living in central Connecticut is there's so few places I can just park my car and record a video without getting kicked out or trespassing, whatever it may be. I don't really like recording where I live right now because I'm in a tight condo complex. There's always people running around me, so. But anyways, that's all going to change soon. I'm super excited, but also super scared to move. I'm getting my own apartment. More importantly, I'm getting a garage for my M3. It's like half the reason I'm moving. I'd really like to keep this car not outside, and of course have some room for some other toys that you guys will be seeing soon. But right now we're gonna go I'm gonna do a POV. I got this little head strap on Amazon. It's a GoPro head strap, and I'm gonna try to get some POV of what the stock transmission tuning is like, and then we'll compare it to when I flash it after. See you guys in a bit. I'm gonna switch over to POV now. All right, we are in POV. In case you guys want to see how crazy I look, we're gonna head home now, test out the stock tuning so you guys can see the differences. I'm gonna put it in my M1 mode, which is gonna be, oops, wrong button. It's gonna be Sport Plus everything, and then X Drive and 4-wheel drive Sport. One crazy thing about the G80 that I love that you can't do on many other cars is that you can go from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive with the push of the button, and it's a true 2-wheel drive. Like, it turns this car into an F80 essentially, and you can do sick drifts and tons of burnouts and have some fun. And then you could switch it right back into 4-wheel drive and go freaking 2.5 seconds 0 to 60, which is pretty crazy. Obviously not stock, but eventually when I get this thing tuned. So yeah, we're gonna put it in M1 mode. I'm gonna put it in manual as well, so I can manually shift it, and this is on the highest shift setting from factory, so this will be the fastest, most aggressive shifts you can choose from factory. On G80s you can choose how aggressive the shifts are, which is crazy. You can actually change that. You can make it super soft and then go all the way up to 3, which is going to be the most aggressive. So enough yapping, let's go for a ride. I hope this angle is good. I haven't really done much testing. I hope you guys can see everything. So first to second, when you're going slower like that, like, kicks you back a little bit, which is cool. Almost gives you like a sort of like GT car sort of feel, like it actually has a dual clutch, even though it's not a dual clutch. And another thing that I think can be greatly improved upon on these is the downshifts. Some of the downshifts also feel like they have different timing than the others. Kind of give you guys an idea. The shifts definitely are in bad factory, but it's definitely not as responsive as, you know, a PDK or a previous gen DCT. In my opinion, the ZF trumps all transmissions just because of how much power they can take, and you don't have to worry about clutches or anything like that, and the fact that you can launch these cars way harder than DCT cars. Not only because of the X-Drive, but more importantly, because it's got a torque converter transmission, you're actually putting a load on the drivetrain when you're in launch. So you're actually spooling up the turbos, putting a load on everything so it's ready to go, versus a DCT car. It's kind of like you're just revving up and dumping the clutch on a manual car, which is going to break more stuff. You're not able to build boost on a turbo car as effectively without having anti-lag or some other sort of you know, ignition cut. And just overall is much more easy to get a proper and consistent launch if you're into that. These cars do handle insane though, like for how big they are. 4,000-pound car should not handle this well. Downshift, 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 downshift. See how that's third to second was significantly slower than the rest of them? I'm hoping this is gonna fix that. It's gonna make everything rapid like a DCT. Well, you guys know I had to get the Goyard to match violet blue Goyard with the violet blue G80. Just kidding, that'd be cool if that was actually called that. I can't wait to tune this. I feel like once we do this transmission tune, I'll be like DMO DJ. I'll be like, wah, bah, 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 like he is in a Lambo. Alright guys, Wi-Fi adapter secured. Shout out to XHP for sending this to me in a timely manner. I ordered it like 3 days ago and just got it this afternoon. Packaged all professionally, looks like some jewelry. Alright, we made an account, so now we're going to connect new car, choose transmission. We have an 8-speed, finding adapter. Okay, yeah, I have to plug it in. Alright guys, I think I figured it out. Unfortunately, CarPlay is a bitch and doesn't let you connect to anything. It doesn't let me connect to my camera, it doesn't let me connect to other Bluetooth devices unless it's like AirPods. But yeah, so I disconnected CarPlay. You literally have to forget the car for it to work. It's super annoying, but need a flash. There is stage 0, 1, 2, and 3. I'm assuming 0 is stock, yep. Torque limiters removed, fixed 8th gear engagement, okay. Stage 2, improved shift times, much stronger and faster blip downshifts, rework shift maps, I can't talk today, rework shift maps in Drive Logic 1, I don't know what that means, but I'm going to act like I know what it means, and then the same thing, fixed 8th gear. Stage 3, torque limiters remove, heavily improved shift times, on par with DCT transmissions. Alright, I don't even need to read it anymore. This is the one we're flashing. Screw those other ones. Alright guys, we're back on the POV camera and success. Flash is finished successfully. So I think it means I can start up the car now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I think I'm gonna start on setting 1. So this is the comfort mode. This should be the softest shifting. Let's see. Oh, it's super smooth. Definitely perfect for daily driving. This will be like the fuel economy max mode. Super smooth. I definitely will be rocking that in my comfort mode. Well, let's turn it up to level 2 now. Alright. Not gonna lie, number 2 feels exactly the same. Feels just as slow. Oh, the downshifts are quick. Definitely quicker than stock. Enough of the boring stuff. Let's put it in 3. Oh, that's noticeable. Oh, that's rapid. Oh, the downshifts are quicker too. Oh, this is awesome. Alright, I can't wait to get to more open road and test this out, really. Oh my gosh. It's like a PDK now. Every time you shift, it's like you're getting punched in the ass. I love it. Pause. It is so quick. You just tap it and it's there. Oh, that's a cop. let me calm down. All right, time to test out how quick these shifts are. Oh my God, we just broke traction there. We just broke traction first a second. Jeez. It's like instant, you tap and it goes. Now we're in M2, which is my 2-wheel drive mode. I love this car. This is amazing. I didn't think it would be that big of a difference. Like it genuinely feels like it's a DCT now. We should try out launch control. Put in 4-wheel drive, because supposedly the launch should be more aggressive as well now. It's definitely gonna light up the tires. These tires are kind of junk. They're Pirelli P0s, and it's 75 degrees out. These tires literally hate anything under 90 degrees. They have to be super hot. It did heat up the rears a bit, so should be all right. Straight 6 Jeep action. Just instant shifts. All right. Let's see how it launches. All right, launch control. Oh my gosh. It definitely launches harder. No doubt about that, it launches harder. That was pretty wild. Just spun all 4 in a stock car. I have like 3 videos that I recorded and just never edited because I didn't want to. I just felt like I sound that. I don't know, listening to your own voice is just like, sounds so cringy sometimes. But no matter what, I'm gonna post this. I need to post more. Need to get G80 content out to you guys. The nice thing about these is you can just go from, you know, full sport, full comfort, click of a button, and now It's super smooth, super quiet, super comfy. The adaptability of the tuning on this car and the transmission is definitely top tier. You know, it's a significant difference. A lot of cars, they'll have a drive mode, you change it, and you're like, oh, did that really do anything? I don't know. But this you can really tell makes a big difference. Bang, bang, bang. Just every shift, bang, bang, bang. Oh my gosh. Just a little second gear action. Bow. Bow. Every shift, just bang, bang, bang. It's so quick. I'm a bit too lazy to take this off and put the camera on my other mount, so I'm gonna end it over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what do you think I could do better with this video, or what you want to see next. I'm starting a new thing where at the end of all my videos, I want to end it on a positive note with something motivational. Today's words of wisdom from Rob is, in order to get comfortable, you have to get uncomfortable. Sometimes it takes doing things which you know that you really don't want to do to do things that you do want to do and take the next step. Humans unfortunately don't like change, but change is the way you grow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.